The Department of Defense Information Network, DODIN, is a globally interconnected end-to-end set of information capabilities, services, and systems focused on supporting the DoD mission. The Defense Information Systems Agency, DISA, develops, operates, protects, and sustains capabilities that are core to this network, to include interoperability, dev test, and evaluation services. A key element of DISA's commitment and future support strategy for the DODIN is the development of the DODIN Testbed, a comprehensive, agile, common dev test environment that will model the DODIN enterprise and facilitate operational testing across the DoD. JITC is DoD's Joint Interoperability Certifier and only non-service operational test agency for information technology and national security systems, and is working to shape the DODIN Testbed into a common, scalable, enterprise dev test platform. The strategic objectives for the DODIN Testbed are to implement ITIL and ITSM for testbed and instrumentation, to transform testbed capability, and to transform instrumentation by increasing the use of automation for testing. Currently, no DoD test environment exists for DODIN end-to-end testing of enterprise services. Individual programs develop their own test environments and fund enterprise information technology service and application development and testing. For example, to test an application against a system within a test environment, mission partners are required to bring their own equipment and coordinate with the individual program owner. Testing within a different environment requires the equipment to be moved and coordination made with the new environment owner. This model of individual stovepiped programs and testing cannot continue to exist, as it does not adequately address the development, testing, and evaluation of the evolving technologies comprising the DoDIN, but often result in high cost and no viable means to visualize the total investment in test capabilities. To address these challenges, JITC is developing and managing the DODIN Testbed as a single-service common resource to provide effective cybersecurity and IA testing and accurate troubleshooting and interoperability test evaluation for acquisition programs implementing enterprise-scale systems and services. It will leverage existing technology, optimize agency test resources, and provide programs with a reasonable representation of the DODIN networking and computing services. This will be accomplished by maintaining an architectural design layout comprised of on-prem and off-prem dev test enclaves. The on-prem dev test enclave consists of a private cloud, which hosts test and development zones, a virtual joint regional security stack, a working replica of the DISA Internet Access Point, and a suite of testing equipment. The off-prem dev test enclave exists in a commercial cloud provider consisting of a Zone AB behind the cap and a Zone CD Internet Accessible environment for DoD mission partners. This will allow mission partners to move their applications to the cloud in test zone enclaves and utilize provided shared services to accommodate their IA security needs and develop their applications in a cloud scenario. This on-prem, off-prem dev test configuration will provide the ability for all DoD mission partners to perform research and evaluation, and the ability to test an application against a fully functional mock production environment before deploying to production, and provide several key capabilities in the process, such as on-demand infrastructure, instrumentation and automated test tools, controlled mission partner financial expenditures, protection for network, systems, applications, and data, continuous monitoring and cyber situational awareness, and rapid response to incidents. As future cyber and operational missions become more demanding, the DODIN will continue to evolve and grow increasingly complex. The DODIN Testbed and its architecture will meet the DoD's need for improved cybersecurity and IA testing, and will exist as a realistic common baseline for allowing mission partners to stand up and test their applications in a DoD on-prem virtual testing environment. Through the use of a web portal, single or multiple environments can be selected against which to run testing scenarios, with each customer being billed through the testbed rather than obtaining and paying for an individual cloud account. Effectively, the DODIN Testbed will be a one-stop shop solution at a lower aggregate cost than the current infrastructure, and one that will facilitate test facility sharing among DISA, DoD, and DoD partner systems. For more information on the DODIN Testbed, contact the DODIN Testbed engineering team at the email address listed on your screen.